All right, students, today we're just going to have kind of a catch-up work day. First thing I'd like to do is complete the 9-1 to 9-3 formative, which is in your distance day number 9 folder. That's 3 questions on multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Make sure that you completely factor everything, and then simplify and cross-cancel where you can. Then, we've been spending the last couple days kind of just working up on some of these other standards. So on IXL for S5, S6, and R3, and then also KK2, KK3, and KK7 in Algebra 1, those 3 in Algebra 1, I want you to work all of these to a level of 80. Most of you should be around 60 or 70 already, so just be finishing those up. So once again, IXLs, now S5, S6, and R3 are under Algebra 2, and KK2, KK3, KK7 are in Algebra 1. Make sure you're at all of those at a level of 80. Any questions, as always, join the Google Meet, send me a Schoology message, make contact with me somehow, some way. Good luck. Hope this helps out, and have a wonderful weekend. Thanks.